Hi guys and welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel where I talk about self-publishing with Amazon KDP and where I want to help you to earn money online. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. And in today's video, I want to show you my income report for the month of June 2023. I will show you exactly how many books I have sold during the month of June, how many royalties I made, and of course, how high my ad spend was for the last month. So let us don't waste any more time, enjoy the video, and we will jump right now into my Amazon KDP dashboard. As you can see, for the last month, for the month of June, I have sold 687 books. If we compare this with the month of May, in May, I've sold 736 units, so this is a decrease of almost 7%. One thing that makes me really happy is that I have consistent sales. As you can see on the bar chart here, I'm selling at least 8 units every single day. And right now we are at the summertime, so it's very hot. The people are not so frequently on Amazon buying books, so I'm really happy with this amount of sold books. I know it's a little decrease here compared to the month of May, but we have 1 day less, so only 30 days in June compared to May with 31 days. And during the summer situation, I'm really happy with this result. So now the most interesting part of this video, how many royalties did I make for the month of June? As you can see, for the month of June, I have made 4,077 euros, so almost $4,400. As you can see, I'm making an average of 120 euros a day, and I have days, for example, the 12th of June, the 14th of June, or the 20th of June, where I was able to make 200 euros at a single day. If we compare the June royalties with the May royalties, in May I made 4,396 euros. So this is also a decrease of almost 7%. Of course, 4,077 euros are not profit because we have to subtract the ad spend for the month of June. As I mentioned, for the month of June, I made royalties of 4,077 euros. My ad spend on the German marketplace was 945 euros. On Amazon.com, 50 euros. On the French marketplace, 283 euros. And on the Spanish marketplace, it was 47 euros. Leaves me with a profit for June of 2,750 euros. So again, the profit also decreased by 6.3%, but this is completely fine. I'm really happy with this result because during this summer situation, I'm still able to make 4 figures in royalties every single month. I have consistent royalties during the last months of over 4,000 euros. So I'm very pleased with these results. So what is new on my Amazon KDP business? I published this week a new high content book for the German marketplace. As you can see, I have now 114 books online on Amazon, and I'm very excited to show you the results and the performance of this new high content book. And we will see how my royalties change for the month of July and August. So if you don't want to miss the future income reports, make sure to hit the subscribe button. As I always mentioned, with those income reports, I want to motivate you guys. Always keep in mind, I have started at the same way like you, published a few low content books, making $10 in royalties, $50 in royalties for the first months. And I want to show you with those income reports how you can increase your royalties really fast when you continue publishing high quality books, good quality books. And I hope that I can motivate you guys with those income reports to start and build a profitable KDP business. So I hope you liked this little income report. If you do so, make sure to hit a thumbs up on this video. As I mentioned, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. So thanks for watching. I wish you a very great day and we will see you in the next video.